I'll take your job. You will not have no job plan with me. So go talk to her.
You're not going to take my job.
I can.
You know,
trust me,
I've
baby.
heard this before.
I can.
Today's video shows an incident that ended with a call being made to Internal Affairs and a complaint being lodged against a police officer. The officer in this incident was responding to a call from an elderly woman who believed her grandson was using drugs. The officer arrived on scene and spoke to this man. The man did not appreciate the way the officer was talking to him, so he called Internal Affairs and lodged an official complaint. You'll get to hear his complaint in just a moment. I will tell you that his complaint was sustained and the officer did receive discipline due to his actions.
Yes, my name is Brandon Lewis. My return phone number is 614. I was calling to make a complaint against an officer that was dispatched out to my grandmother's residence this afternoon. He was here to de-escalate a situation, not escalate a situation, by cursing at me and my significant other to come and de-escalate a situation. It was very unprofessional, and I would really greatly appreciate someone contacting me at 614. Thank you.
Okay. The guy just walked out back. I'm going to talk to him real quick. Oh, I think the guy just walked out back. Good, how are you? What's that?
I said, come talk to me.
That's what I was gonna do, man.
What's up?
I don't know. Is there anything going on today? Anything going on? We got a call here. Do you live here with like your grandmother?
I don't. I just was staying here.
Who stays here with you?
Go ask her if she called you, because I didn't call you.
Okay, you wouldn't. I'll be fine.
Person. This is not my house.
Okay, but you've been staying here a little bit.
I could go.
Well, I just wanted to talk to you.
I stayed here for a couple days. How you doing, sir?
I'm good, man.
You like Stone Cold Steve Austin a little bit.
Is that a compliment?
If you wanted to.
I'm not a wrestling fan. You just hang out with me, man. Hang out back here and talk to me. Was there a problem with you and old lady? Did you guys have an argument or anything?
I don't know. She might need to go to neck care. I don't know what's wrong with her.
She might.
Yeah, go check on her.
Well, what are you up to out here? Because she called about you.
Yeah.
Talk to me, man.
Address to this house right here.
Across the street?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know it?
No. Hang out with me, man. Why you walk away?
Cuz you ain't got me on your payroll.
We can stand on the shade.
You gotta pay me to talk to me, baby.
No, that's not how that works.
Yes. You get those from Dollar General?
What? These glasses? I got them from Target.
Target?
Yeah, they were like $21. Sure.
Yeah.
How long you been staying here? A couple days?
You are nosy. Does she want me to leave? I don't have to be here.
I don't think that's what it is.
I don't have to talk to you.
She wants you to be checked up on, and right now you're oh, don't
your
touch me.
vest is a little dusty.
Yeah, I get flaky. I get dry skin. She's concerned about you because you're acting strange, and you are acting a little bit strange.
Okay. For who? You?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're acting strange, man.
You're acting strange. Please don't try me, sir.
Okay.
I'm not that person. Please don't. I'll take your job. You will not have no job plan with me. So go talk to her.
You're not going to take my job.
I can.
You know,
trust me, baby.
I've heard this before.
I can perform.
Okay.
Yeah, Stone Cold. I can. Please stop.
So tell me.
You ain't got to tell me nothing. Am I being detained?
Yes.
Am I being detained?
Yeah.
I'm not, baby.
Okay.
What's going on? You trying to come talk to me. What you want to talk about? You're talking to the wrong person.
That's all right. Grandma
Go talk to her, not me. I don't
Yeah.
have to stay here. I can catch the bus. You need. You need to go to neck care.
You got him under control?
Yeah, that's my boyfriend.
Okay.
Take your pills, Brandon.
Okay. Does
Does what?
Does he take mental health medications or anything like that?
No, he's fine.
Okay, he's just acting a little out of it.
Well, it's a stressful situation.
That's not what it is. That's not why he's acting that way. There's a little more of that. It's not my first time.
Well, I don't know. That's my boyfriend.
That's why I was
He's
asking
fine.
you about. All right. You got anything else?
No. My
All right.
grandma has early Alzheimer's and dementia. That's what's going on.
Well, what's your boyfriend have?
She said you had called, so
No, she
your
pressed
story's
her.
different.
She has the life alert button, and she pressed the life alert button.
She did because your boyfriend's acting kind of strange.
No,
No, I don't
he's
wanna-
not the issue.
He is acting strange.
No, he's fine.
Sure, whatever you say, man.
I just told him. I need to Gatorade.
All right.
You good?
Yeah, I guess. Other than
We're good. Thank you.
All right.
dude that's high or something.
$10, pay your salary, okay?
Dude, just give it a fucking break.
And I can call your sergeant too.
What are you gonna call him?
I can call your sergeant too.
What's that gonna do? Okay. We were dispatched here and you're giving me enough attitude.
Hey, my cousin loved the wrestlers, man. I swear to God.
I can call your sergeant too.
Okay, what's that? Is that a threat?
Call your sergeant too.
I'll call him too. You want me to?
Is that the
All
story?
right.